So today I'm going to show you how to practice on Webull with paper trading. I'm going to show you just how to get to that page. I'm going to break that down just a little bit for you so you can get started using this. Now, you can actually see the app here in real time so you can follow along step by step. Keep in mind this is an iPhone, iOS device, and Android might look a little different here for you. So we're actually on the main page of our Webull account. And the way you know that is by the Webull icon right over here in the center, which also too, by the way, if you do not have a Webull account just yet, I'll have one in the show notes down below for you. You can open an account for free. If you do a little bit of a deposit there, you actually get a ton of free shares with us. So make sure you go ahead and check that out. Now from here, what we're going to want to do is actually go to the right-hand side where you see menu. We're going to click on this, and that's going to take you to this new section over here. And we want to go to the More tab over here. It's the three little dots with a circle around them. We're going to click on that. And then that's going to take us to another setting here with a bunch of other new settings. Now we're going to want to go to where you see trading. And from here, there is going to be where you see paper trade. So we're going to tap on this. So this right here is where you can actually practice on Webull with paper trading. And so from this section here, you're going to see where it says paper trade at the bottom right. And we click on here, and just like a regular kind of trade, you want to go look for the ETF or the stock or whatever company you want to be buying into. For example, let's go ahead and say with Google. And it's going to take you to a similar page that looks like the regular buying section of the Webull account, but instead at the bottom it says paper trade. So from here, we're going to click at the bottom, and it's going to, again, look very similar, but keeping in mind that this is all paper trading. And we're going to want to do a limit order. Let's go ahead and say we want to buy 200 shares of Google here. And then it's going to say the trading hours, either regular hours or extended. We're going to do extended because of when we're recording this. And then the time enforced, either the day, or you can have it good till canceled. So for our example here, we're going to actually, let's see what that price point is. So you can see up here at the very top, this is where the actual price is sitting at. And then this is the price that we're asking for. So we're going to bump this up a little bit, and then we're going to click on paper trade here. And now this is going to show that our offer has been pending. And of course, once this is filled, we're going to go back over to our actual account. All right, so now we went back to the main paper trading page, and you can see that our net worth has actually went up a little bit because the Google purchase went through, and it's actually worth a tiny bit more than what we paid for. And now we can keep track of this, see what it's going to perform. Oh, it now went down a little bit. And so you could see this happening in real time for you as if you were going to be buying this stuff with your real money, but this is all paper money. So it's just practice. So you can kind of get an idea and a feel for what it's like to be investing. Even if you start off with smaller dollar amounts, it will still show you what that's going to look like for you. And then, of course, you can make other types of investments here on the paper trading without it actually being your own money. Now, like I mentioned earlier, if you do not already have Webull, we'll have a link for you in the show notes down below that will go ahead and get you started on the right page and opening up your free Webull account. So if you want to go ahead and check out this paper trading. Now, if you're also ready to go ahead and go through the process of really going through the investments on Webull, we actually are going to post up our beginner's guide right over here so you can learn step by step on utilizing the Webull app.